Vintage New York. The Acrobatic Toy. From the 1930'S. Wind-up tin litho toy. The Acrobatic Marvel Monkey Toy. By Company Marx Toys, New York. Made in USA. A little brief history about the Acrobatic Marvel Toy. The Acrobatic Marvel Marx Toys line, specifically referring to the acrobatic figures from Louis Marx and Company, gained popularity in the post-World War II era. The figures, which included acrobats, clowns, monkeys, and other character models,